you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today we are back with another video. And I'm super excited about this video because your girl is getting locks. I am going over to the bright side, the right side, and I'm super excited. My loctician is Coco. She's located here in Atlanta, Georgia. You guys need to check her out because she is the bomb.com. Her work is amazing. I will have all her information listed below. Because I didn't style my own hair, I will not be talking that much throughout this tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Myself or Coco will answer them for you, but let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm going to start off by parting and twisting the hair. If you guys have watched my previous tutorial, then you guys got a good idea on how to part and twist locks. Every loctician has a different type of technique, so do what works for you and your hair, okay?
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly.
Alright, so jumping back in. So I set under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and we're just going to remove all these pins and begin to style my locks. So when it comes to styling the hair, it's kind of difficult to see in this video because I'm kind of further away. When I usually do styling videos, I like to be up close so you guys can really see what's going on. So what I plan on doing is I will be recreating this look on either my husband or my son. The style we are creating is a flat twist into a little bun. I would like to recreate this style in an in-depth video so you can get a better idea on how to achieve this style.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
has revealed the look, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow Coco on Instagram at Coco did that, cause shorty did that. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine, bye bye.
Bye bye.
I will fly.